here we are. And now we're at the Amazon bestseller page. But let me just go 8-minute timer, Google. And it started, right? So let's go. Hopefully this works out for us, right? I'm going to go to one of my favorite categories. Let's go to, let me see, garden. Okay, now this is a research methodology that we use and we've adapted over the years to suit us, and we found a lot of very profitable products with it. Can't go into it all now, but what I'm going to be doing is, there's a lot of nuances to it, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be picking some categories to try and find like potential products within them. So let's just go down here and let's have a look what we got here. Okay, so now we're in a subcategory gardening. Let's have a look. We're just going through the products. We're looking for ones that jump out, that just look a bit different or look like they're not done right. And not every category is good. Sometimes we need to we need to reverse because we just don't find something that's suitable. Let's open this up. And like these are not products necessarily that I'm going to sell. I'm just going to move off them to other potential products. Let's keep going. And that. Again, that's similar, but we'll open it. You'll also have some plugins installed as well that I do use. That's interesting, that one. Right, let's have a look. Let's just go a bit deeper again. Let's go to... Let's go to raise plant structures. Let's have a look what we find here. Interesting. Plant support clips. Interesting, but very low price. Very low price on that as well. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. We've got a lot of products open, so let's just go here. Let's have a look. Right. This is copper slug tape. It is fulfilled by Amazon, selling extremely well. A little bit seasonal. You can see there that the BSR drops or increases if we want to look at it in January, February, so wintertime. So what's this called? This is called copper slug tape. Let's have a look. Slug tape. Let's have a look here. Okay, so there's 130 results. That is, let's just try and change it to maybe copper tape, 125. Let's change it to slug tape, 143. Okay, actually, guys, this is a very good niche to be going into. Actually, how long did that take? That didn't take long at all. Where are we at? I think I can pause it, guys. I actually think I can pause it, right? The reason I really like this, right? Okay, first of all, there's really good sales. Now, obviously, we're in the summertime, but there's 1,000, 1,000, 200, 400, 10,000, 500, 600, 1,000, 3,000, 1,000. They're all selling really, really well, right? In terms of search results, 143 for that. If I type in copper, probably spelled that wrong, did I? No, I didn't spell it right. 125. So like whatever happens, they're all selling extremely well, right? Whatever search term I type in, every product is getting plenty of sales. Now, there is a lot of different variations. So like there's the wide one, there's narrow, there's not as wide, there's different designs here, but that means that, and they all seem to be selling quite well, all those different designs, which means that we can come in with our variation and very likely it will make up sales, especially considering there's actually not a lot of search results, right? 100%. This one here, it's a little bit of a higher price, but maybe people don't want the two like that. I don't know. That's another interesting design. This product here. That's own fulfillment, copper wire mesh. Yes, I like it. I like it. So guys, what I'm going to do now, right, is I'm actually going to get pricing on this, and I'll 100% be moving forward with these products, right? And actually, I might be able to show you on the channel in 2 or 3 months when they come in. But they're like these are 100% of stuff that I'm going to be moving forward with. That and some form of tape. I think it's absolutely an epic sub niche. But like, look, we'd probably find another. Let me see. Just quickly going through to see can I find something. Um, on support clips. Look at this. This is probably the worst listing. 20,000 results. There's demand for that as well. Railway sleeper brackets. Are they? They've been selling quite well as well. You could find for this a variation of the listing, different pricing, in terms of pack sizes, things like that would sell quite well. But yeah, this here, I love. So if you're interested in doing this, if you want to find your own category like this, just go up to the link in the bio. There's ways we can work together, for you to launch your own Amazon FBA business and start, importing your own products. But nonetheless, hope you enjoyed the video, and I will chat you all very, very soon. Take it easy, folks.